Hello there guys, James here. Today I'll be reviewing Oxygenos OnePlus 7 Utopia Edition. When you first boot the ROM, you'll be greeted with this home screen lock screen hybrid. Just kidding, let me show you how to fix it. All you have to do is long press on home screen, select whichever wallpaper you want from there. Set the same for both lock screen and home screen, and voila, you're done. If you want to choose your own wallpaper, do the same long press. Select your photos and make sure to set the same for home screen and lock screen again. And there you go. Now let's come to using the ROM. The face unlock is very fast and most of the time it skips the lock screen altogether. As you can see, the build name, Utopia, it's quite a flashy name, huh? And then as you can see, I've updated the kernel to version 3, which I'll be linking in the description below. Now it also comes with this warp charge animation. If you plug in the charger, you will hear a very nice sound. Note that this is just an animation and not actually warp charging speeds. You also get a working ambient notification here. The LED light also works. Dolby is one of the add-ons for this ROM. It's a separate app and it has 3 profiles. But the only downside I found is that after several minutes of usage, when I come back to the app, it resets to the default profile. Now for the notch haters out there, as you can see, there's a proper hide notch option with rounded corners. So you guys are definitely saved here. And you also get this nearby share option, which is the Android's alternative to AirDrop. But unfortunately I couldn't test it out here. Now let's talk about thermals. This ROM has a new way of switching thermals. It's through the terminal emulator. Open any terminal emulator you want, give root access by typing in SU, and follow the commands on screen. Just type thermals and whichever command you want. You can set it to respond to Genos profiles by typing Genos. I've seen many people asking how is it compared to Hydrogen OS. So let's compare the performance of this one to Hydrogen OS, shall we? Let's get it started. As you can see, Hydrogen OS took a lead for a split second and Oxygen OS takes it back. It's a constant back and forth. But finally, as we can see, Oxygen OS takes the cake here. But this can be down to the internet speed, so I would call this a draw. Now let's come to the gaming part. The game mode is loaded with a bunch of features here, as you can see. There's also an option called graphics optimization, which I'll talk about. Let's start the game review by showing the highlight of this match. This is just too tempting, guys. By the way, keep an eye out for the FPS meter on the top right corner. Sometimes I do hide it by accidentally. Sorry for that. Enjoy the gameplay with the music in the background, guys. I'll talk more when it's time to wrap up the review. Okay guys, let's wrap up this review now. What is this ROM good for? The main selling points I'd say is the performance, the gaming performance and the battery life. I'm sorry I'm not talking about battery life here because my battery is pretty hit. I've been using this phone very demandingly every single day for the past 2 years. So talking about battery life wouldn't be appropriate. This is another all-rounder ROM just like Pixel Experience. Well, there isn't much cons to talk about this ROM. If I can nitpick, I'll say the Dolby Profile reset is an issue. Work-life balance crash is another issue. This ROM comes with so many little things, some little details I like. For example, if I'm wearing Bluetooth headsets, if I get a call and if I bring the phone near my ear, it'll automatically switch to the earpiece. That's one nice addition I really like. You can also raise your phone to the ear to pick up calls, which is very convenient. These are some little things that get me attracted to OxygenOS. Okay guys, I hope you like this review. If you do, please leave a like, and if you have any suggestions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. See you in the next video guys.